Yo, what is up, guys? Today's video will be a little bit different. So usually I'm not always on the chart, and I cannot always be like recording everything that I want to record. But today I'm home. I don't have to go to work in the morning. So yeah, this today I can record a bit more. So my work starts at 5 p.m. So I'll be able to trade and record that as well. So what I'm gonna do in today's video is record my pre-market analysis. I don't know if that's necessary, but I want to, and then I'll uh, edit that with the live trading if I can remember to live trade that, and then after that I will also record my what's it called, my recap for the trading day, and yeah, that's basically it. So my pre-market I'm gonna just mark out the previous day low, the lows, and draw. Like these could be draws on liquidity, but I'm just marking them out for now. Basically, Asia start ends here, but I'm gonna count this as my Asia candle because I could just say this a London candle, but I just always count those as Asia. What do we have here? We have double liquidity down here. What is double liquidity? This is my Asia low. This should have been Asia high. Right here, Asia high. Previous day high is right here. It's not actually previous day high is right here. It's not necessary for me to mark out why, because we already swept it, and it's not like that important to me. This is a 2-minute order block that I marked out that caused this really big rally down. So this could be an important order block that we could see a reaction coming out of. What do I see on the higher time frame? Higher time frame, 4 hour. We're respecting this, but I do kind of want to see us retrace more because we kind of left a lot of these gaps. Same thing with yesterday. So I'm kind of more leaning towards shorts today, to more shorts, because price like Monday, it was quite clear for me that we could be pushing up. Why? Price was really balanced here. We moved down, go back up, move down, and like we made these big retracements, looked really balanced. Same for Monday. We actually not for for Tuesday yesterday, we were kind of having a big gap down here. We rebalanced that really well and then moved higher. So price action was really well. Today, same thing. I kind of want to see the same thing happening. I want to see us probably just move. Like we already made the extension up, and what I want to see is us potentially making a retracement down. You could argue we already made a retracement down here. That's like you could argue that, but I'm not sure if I see that as enough of a retracement, because like this one I could count as a retracement. This one right here, but I do kind of want to see another retracement coming in from here to like these highs. It's like something I do want to see happening. Like this is also kind of extended really up. Like we're just being extended really high, and I don't like that in a sense. So yeah, I could potentially want to see something like this happening and then reversing. Uh, so yeah, I do have these Asia lows. I'm probably gonna be looking forward to get these swept. This could be a decent entry. I'm gonna be telling you this is like actually pretty good entry right here. We have this Asia level, with this level getting respected. Right here we could sweep lower. If you were to take this, it's a really good trade in my eyes. Yeah, also in my opinion. Like this, it's a really good trade if you were to able to take this. So yeah. So yeah, see you guys in a bit when I'm actually gonna be trading. And yo, what is up, guys? So today live trading session. Yeah. Trading two XFAs because I passed two. I don't know how, but like we passed two. I do see price moving up a lot. Wait, I'll just screen share my trading view because I'm basing off my entries off trading view. So what I'm seeing is that price is moving up a lot. What I potentially want to see is doing a potential retracement, because I do still think we're kind of extended to the upside, and I do like these draws down here. But if we are eventually just gonna rip higher, then so be it. So yeah, So eventually, I'll probably just gonna be playing short either way, because I don't see myself taking longs in here, because I don't really like the idea of longs anyway. What do we still have? We could potentially still hold this 15 minutes right here, and this just be a manipulation. Is that likely? I don't think so, because we already created this new high, and if we were to flip, I don't think we are gonna flip. Why? Actually, we could still flip. Why? We create this new low, higher low, new low, and we eventually. So like, there's some sense of bearishness within this, because usually when I see this happening, there's gonna be some manipulation happening, and this order block might get hit that I marked out like a long time ago. If this hits and get a nice reaction, then I might trade off of that. Is it likely? I don't know. So eventually, I'm probably just gonna be playing the retracement off of this candle upwards. So I might just be targeting whatever down here. So yeah. I'm just gonna be waiting. The price is not really giving me anything yet. That's basically it. This trade that I marked out didn't really play out that well. Eventually, yeah. So this is like, because we are bearish to here. Oh wait, oh my bad. So we do here, create high, new high, low, 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 high. Then we trade up higher, still respecting that high. Trade lower. Then we break it right here. And like, this is not like really a point for me to be saying, okay, this is enough of a retracement. I do really want to see us really get to 50. Okay, we're getting some sort of rejection. We do have like this low, I don't want to call this low resistance, but like this is takeable. It's like really, this is really retail trend line trading. Are we getting that? Absolutely. I'm not trading like that either way. What I wanna see, what is what even is this? So yeah, still really bullish. I don't want to play bullish. I don't want to play the longs. Okay, this is the candle that I'm seeing. We need to see a retracement either way, and I don't like the retracement on the 5 minute. This is the candle that you want to see be retracing. I don't like the longs, you know. I really don't like the longs. The longs just look so weird. This would be probably on like the 15-second. This would be an fair value gap. I'm pretty sure, but I don't trade 15-second time frames. Is there any, like, there's not really anything else that I could draw potential off of. Like, we're just this high. There's nothing in here except for the order block that I marked out for us to trade off. Like, this order block, I think, yeah, I really defined it really well, I think. So yeah, I just took these two candles. I could have like drawn all of this, but is that really the play? I don't think so. So yeah, at this point in time, I'm just gonna be waiting, not taking anything. Do I want to be long if we retrace to here, like something like this? No, I don't really want to take this, even if we retrace. There's not really an entry for me in here as well, because I don't like taking shorts up here. I mean, I could take a short up here, do something like this, but I don't like it. Why? Because we still have like a lot of stuff in here. Oh yeah, why I also don't like taking the short is usually I would take my short, like for example yesterday, for example I would have like taken longs, for example right here, knowing we have this bigger underlying, for example, OTE level. But right now I don't have that. So yeah, there's also another thing why I don't like going short right here. I might just send a random short on my practice account.
Order filled. Order filled.
Put it when they went not.
Order filled.
Oh shit. Never mind, the practice account just got blown. Practice account just got blown. I do like the momentum we're getting right here with the short. Am I gonna be trading this? No, because I don't like. So what I'm maybe gonna be trading, for example, is if we just make a really good sweep down, like sweeping this, or for example, then that retracement to the downside. I would want to be trading that instead, except for this, because I don't like how price is moving. If this retraces in here, I will be taking this. I will be taking this. Okay, shorts as I expected, but like I don't like taking longs from this. I could have taken the short right there, but I didn't like it. Why? Because I don't have that higher OTE level that I usually trade off of. And yeah, where do I expect this to go? I expect this to go to like 50%. Is this greedy? Kinda. Is this doable? Yeah. One or two. I'm gonna take this with one micro. I do have to take. I don't like the risk to reward on this. Is this a retracement? Yes or no? Risk to reward is kinda looking bad. Can I set it to the body? To here. How much would 2 be? Okay, I could take 2 if I do it like this. So yeah, gonna be waiting for that retracement. Actually, we're gonna be waiting for this candle to close as well. Okay, I do like we're sweeping these lows. Need us to hold for 30 more seconds and I'll be taking this. I'm just gonna set it anyway for this paper trade. Okay, we should be in. Are we gonna reject all of this? Even if this is small for value gap holds, I'm gonna be taking this because I do like this trade. On the 1 minute we already got it.
Order filled.
Okay, so we are in this trade right here. It's looking like a potential fast stop loss. But I do still like this trade. Where's my target if I were to do it, for example, to do something like this? 1 to 2, I would set it to this OTE level right here. That's a 1 to 2. It's under that low right there. Taking this sword right here. Let's see what it gives us. I do like the setup, respecting this, but it's just that we're really up high in price right now that maybe can like stop us out, and that we have this order block up here and we're kind of bullish in here. But I do really want to see a retracement coming into price with these lows down here. You could argue that's not like high probability, but the way price is moving is really weird, and I do think this could potentially work out and play out. This 5-minute OTE, is this strong enough? We did respect it, but is it really strong enough? I don't think so. I don't want to see that getting respected. We're still respecting this 2 minutes for value gap. Are we gonna inverse this? If we do, that's kind of ugly. If we do inverse that, that's kind of ugly. And we inversed it. Kind of ugly price action. We still have this 1 minute. Still looks good on the 1 minute. I do kind of need us to sweep down here right now for bearish price action to hold. If we can sweep this low right here, then we're looking pretty bearish. If not, then we could be potentially looking long, and then this setup is not valid anymore. But I do like how price's action is moving right now. Okay, pretty good move. If we sweep this low, I could start trailing. Actually, no, I cannot start trailing. I really need this to move down. Okay, that's a bad buy. That's a bad buy. How's the 50-minute looking? 50-minute looking bearish. I don't know. Price is just moving weird. If I get stopped out, it is what it is. I like the trade. What? Why did I just get an email that my funded account got closed while I didn't even trade my... What? I just got an email stating that my funded account got closed while I didn't even trade my funded account until now? Wait. Okay, this is a bad candle. This is an ugly candle. This is a bullish candle. I'm not gonna lie to y'all guys. This is a bullish candle. Well, let's see. I think they meant my practice account and not my funded account. Bro, I just got kicked out of my... I do need this to move lower. If we start moving up, that's ugly. Yo, this is low-key kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this is low-key bad. But I'm still... I'm still bearish. Unless this gets inversed. If this gets inversed, we're cooked. We are definitely cooked if this 1 minute gets inversed. But as of right now, the 1 minute is looking good. The 1 minute is looking good. We did inverse that 2 minute, which is kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. 5 minutes looking really, really bullish. But I didn't really want to take that long off of that bullish move, because I still think we're really extended to the downside. Okay, we're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, we got stopped out right there. Yeah, longs was the play, I guess. Yo, for God knows why I did not get stopped out right here on the... Okay, finally we did. That's unfortunate, but yeah, it is what it is. We can still go one more trade. I still don't want to be looking on the long side of things, because these longs are really ugly, you know? Like, we did respect the OTE level, but are we really gonna be moving higher? Is that really the play here? I don't know. Wait, if I put my stop loss on this high, I don't know if I would have been stopped out. Maybe that's why. But let's see. Okay, let's turn off that trade. Okay, that's the first loss. So second trade, I'm gonna be waiting. We're still not sweeping this high yet, so that's a good thing, I guess. If I were to say myself, but I think we're probably gonna sweep it any second now. What can we do? I still like the shorts, but I need more structure, to be honest. There's not really something like we have this massive extension up, right? But we never came to 50%. We never did anything after that. Okay, we did sweep it. Okay, we still have this. Okay. If we're not able to sweep this high right here, then I would maybe look for another trade. You could argue that we're hitting this encroachment of this rejection right here, but I don't trade like that. I just know that that's a theory. I don't like that theory though. If you were to take this, that would be like a crazy trade though. I low-key think some people today are taking this trade. Like me personally, I don't trade like this, but I think some people are actually taking this trade. 6RR bang like that. Yo, I low-key think someone is taking that right now. Okay, we're still making new highs. That's kind of bad, but yes. Asia high can move this away to here. Asia high got swept a long time ago. Asia was a draw. So yeah, we did respect that OT level for the longs. Do I think that's gonna be the move? No, I really don't think that's gonna be the move. I think we're still gonna move lower for the day if we're just gonna expand up. And that's pretty bad, you know? Okay. I don't think someone took that. If someone took that, I might be watching some YouTube videos later on today. But if someone took that, that's crazy. I'm not gonna lie. But okay, we're in the order block right now. Let's see if this order block can give us some short momentum. Let's see how these higher time frames are looking. This looks like, I don't know what this is looking like though. 4 hour really looks bullish. If we were bullish, we might be able to even go for that high right there. But do I think we're gonna go for that high? No, I don't really. Wait, that's a big rejection off of that order block, which is good. I didn't even see that happening. Let's see if this can give us some more structure. If we get a same type of entry like we did just now. But I do need to see some more structure though, because we're still in bullish structure and I need to see some of these lows getting swept. Like this 1 minute is not enough for me. Do we have any like higher time frame? If we can inverse this maybe be good. If we can inverse this 3 minute right here, give us some more structure. If we can inverse that, go for this low right here. Is this within OTE? This is definitely within OTE. Where you do, if you were to take this would be, but like I don't like taking this shit. This would be a long, bro, but like I'm not feeling longs, you know. I don't like the longs for some reason. Well, if you were long, this could be a retracement long. I want to see these candles get inversed. Okay, we're respecting. Best case scenario, we get a sweep lower like this. Bang, bang. That's best case scenario, I'm not gonna lie. Still, my draws and liquidity is like this 50%, actually like this OT level down in here. These equal lows, like a lot of equal lows down in here. And probably like a big fair value gap down in here as well. Okay, 15 minute inversion, 30 minute. Okay, do we get the inversion? Yes or no? Probably just gonna be closing right. Ugly candle, really ugly candle. If we can sweep that low, that would be good. If we resweep this low, that would be really nice. If we don't, then we're definitely going longs, I think. How much is this even if I would be able to take this? How much of an RR trade is this if I were to take this? 2.4 is good. Right on that level. How many can I take? 2 would be crazy. Can I take 2? 1 would be kind of less. I would be needing to take 2 if we get the retracement up in there. I'm not taking this on the top step. I just take this on the, what do you call this, the demo trading, because then this gives me more a feeling of what price actually wants to do. Is this a good short? In my opinion, not yet. If I get more structure and we can inverse these gaps, then yes, probably. Do I want to see a retracement? This is looking very good for short. I'm not gonna enter on this short yet. Why? I want to see more of a retracement. And if we do get this, I would probably gonna be taking this. I'm not gonna lie, because this looks pretty good for shorts. We get the good rejection. Oh, that candle is kind of ugly. That 5 minute candle is kind of ugly. But yeah, I don't know. We do really need to sweep these lows. Take out this low. Take out that low. Take out these lows. Take out these lows. Okay, that OTE level definitely got rejected. Only thing I'm gonna be waiting for now is a pullback and trade off of that. Sell pressure is immense. I really do want to see a pullback and us being able to trade off of that. If we get that, I'm definitely trading that. But it's not looking like we're gonna get a pullback, and price is just gonna leave without us. Short is looking really good right here, but I cannot get in yet because we don't get a pullback. Literally 0 pullbacks. Is this a possible trade as well? Yeah, this is. Okay. Nah, I don't like that. Might look like we're just gonna dump without us. Might just look like we're not gonna be going short without me in it. This is like, I don't like taking this trade though. I don't like taking this trade. But like, if y'all want to be in a short, then this would be the opportunity to. Oh look, get rid of that. We did not even tap into it. I'm gonna be placing this here on here though. I'm not gonna trade this on the top step yet, because I do need some more structure. And how much of an RR trade even is this? 1.67. That's not really that much. But I do really like the shorts here. Hourly close looks really good for shorts. I'm not gonna be capping to y'all. Hourly close looks primed for shorts. Okay, we definitely swept those. We definitely sweeping the liquidity that I want to see getting swept. 10 a.m. candle gotta save me, bro. 10 a.m. candle gotta save me. Literally, there's no way I can still get in this trade, bro. I'm not gonna lie. And we would have taken out the TP. Bro, why couldn't we not do this while we already had this, bro? Loki, I know some dude top tick this order block, bro. I know some dude top tick that order block. Maybe I should have just gotten off that order block. Or the CSID right here. CISD. Oh, maybe, bro, if we just went 2 points up high, I would have maybe taken that, you know? Only if. Well, like, yeah. Whole lot of ifs. This is like a point where we could go maybe higher. Do I want to see higher price action? Not really. But like this could show us the potential move higher to make us give us the retracement and then move lower. You know what I mean? But okay, if I come back to like the bigger picture, why do I want to move lower? The reason why I want to move lower is because we have all of this liquidity like that's really extended up. And I think these Asia lows and new daily opening gaps is gonna be a good target for the day. And we're kind of just moving down without getting any retracement, which is bad and usually not a good sign. So that's kind of interesting to see. Okay, we already swept these, so this is irrelevant. Are we gonna hold this? Could stay. I'm not taking this long, but like this could be a possible trade. Still thing to do, keep in mind is that we did not sweep this low yet. We still are making higher highs on the higher time frame. This is just a retracement. We did make the higher high, this printed, and like we're still being bullish on the higher time frame. This is just a potential retracement for this previous move. If we want to be higher, then we could print off of this candle. Do I want to see this happen? No, I don't. Do I want to take this? Not really. But like I'm just gonna shoot like some paper trading on this. If that lets me, why does it not let me? Create limit order buy. Okay, we finally are in. Oh, wait, this is also on the other account. Yeah, I gotta get out of this. am I gonna flip longs? Because we already did get the move down. I might flip long, you know, because this long does look really good. Why would we, like, coming back to it, the reason why we went long lower is because we needed to fill these gaps right here, balance these out, and go higher on a higher time frame. Low key, I kind of sold. I think low key, I got too messed up with everything and like didn't really look at this, at the way it's moving. But even then, is this really like? Even then this should be like a. If we were really bullish in here, then we would really just move all the way up. But I don't see that happening still. I'm gonna see how price reacts to this 1 minute. If it respects it, I might take this trade. If we don't, it starts jumping. I'm not taking it. But this does look really bearish overall. Yo, my top step is not working. Yo. Yo, I low-key think I'm cooked, bro. Like, my accounts are not loading. Everything is not loading. Yo, I think I'm cooked, bro. Yo, top step is having a seizure right now, bro. Yeah, bro, I'm cooked, bro. I took a long on this, bro. I took a long on this. I think. If this went through, I'm cooked. It's looking really bearish. I can't even see my XFAs. Yo, the trade is printing, bro. Trade is printing. But I don't think I even took this, bro. Low key, I don't know. If this prints and I took it, well done. If it didn't, it gave me some stress for no reason. But low key, this trade was kind of iffy. And I want to get out of this trade. Status updates, like. Yo, GG guys, we are gonna get liquidated today. Top Step is fucking us over. Yo, low key, if I'm still in this long, bro, I don't know. But like low key, I think we're cooked. Last time something like this also happened to Top Step as well. I'm not sure what they did or what happened, but yeah. I'm just gonna be looking through their announcement. Maybe I can find what they did last time. Hopefully, I don't. Hopefully, they void my losses for the day. But either way, let's see what they did last time if I can still find it. Let's see what they did last time. I don't even know when that was. I cannot even find it. This long is also getting cooked, bro. I don't even know, bro. Wait, can I log back in? Yo, I cannot even log in. I don't even know what's happening. Everybody's tweaking out. Okay, I would be tweaking out as well, but like.
It's a nice view though. And you notice something?
Yo, low key, bro. This long is cooked, bro. This long is cooked. How does this even happen? Yo, we're beyond cooked. Loki, I don't even know what's gonna happen, bro. This first time me happen. Yeah, Loki, they should start saying some shit about. Yo, we're cooked, bro. We're cooked. We're cooked. We're cooked. Yo, we're definitely cooked.
He dropped her down a flight of stairs after whooping her ass to death. Doctors say she can't even have children no more. I tracked him down. Found him in a little motel outside of San Antonio. He's there with another woman. That's where it happened.
Ma'am, have you seen this man?
No, sir.
Son, have you?
No.
Okay, well, there's been reports that he's in the area. So if you see him, just call 911 for us, okay?
Okay. What do you do?
Move along, please.
Wait, we have a little ancient Pekka. Wait, finds that. Pekka, where are we going? Wait, finds it again. Please kill it all. Please, please, please. Good stuff, we kill it all. And we're healing up. Pekka, where are we going? Wait, because Cyclone, he finds us again. Kill the E-Drag. E-Drag is gone. Wait, he's got Baby Dragon 2. Finds it again. Look, that one shot it. Wait, Pekka, please kill it. Please kill it. Come on, come on. Yes, good stuff. Wait, there's no way that's the tower, right? There's no way. What is he tornadoing? Yeah, I think we won. Wait, we have a little...
Yo, we are cooked, bro. I don't even know, bro. Everybody's spamming like, look at this, bro. Get me flat, get flat.
Hey,
Why are you doing this?
an animal caught in a trap will gnaw off its own leg. To
Our
escape.
team will share, bro. That contact support is gonna get cooked. Bro, like... Yeah, I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm gonna end this video right here, bro. There's no point in me still recording, bro. Shit is crazy. Topside went down like halfway recording. I don't know if I can still... like in the trade recap, you'll probably see me either up or down when I'm back in the trade recap. I don't even know if the trade got placed in first of all, but yeah, we will see. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the trade recap, and yeah, bye bye. Yo, what is up, guys? Today a trade recap. I'm kind of excited to do these trade recaps. Like, doing these makes me kind of happier in some way. But despite that, I'm gonna get into the trade recap. So you probably guys, if you guys see this, you maybe have watched the pre-market analysis on what I wanted to see. That did not happen, but overall bias was correct in some sort of way. But okay, I took two trades today. One was a short and one was a long. The short right here, if we play back a bit more, short right here, what do we have? We have a sweep of Asia high. What do I see? We failed to get into this order block. I kind of wanted to see us get into that order block, but we did not. And let me see where I entered. I don't know exactly where I entered. Yeah, I entered off of this candle on the 2 minute because it was kind of holding but did not hold. Eventually I was targeting these lows right here, so that was the trade. I had my good draw. There was a good draw on liquidity. Price eventually went down here. Why? We have a lot of like equal lows right there. What do we also have? I saw this on the higher time frame as well. We're pretty high extended. We have not retraced any down yet, and so that's two things that I want to see, and that's like enough confirmation for me to see, okay, we could be heading down short. So all I'm waiting for is a confirmation. What happens? We get this move lower, sweeping these lows, kind of making bearish move, us creating this new lower high, failing to go higher. That's for me, it was like, okay, that's enough confirmation. What I'm gonna wait for? I'm gonna wait for a fair value gap to get tapped into. We get this fair value gap tapped into right here. What happens? It fails. This low fails to go lower. That's probably one of the reasons why where I could have said, okay, I see us not going higher. That's a bullish indication, but still we're not like moving higher yet. We're still not moving towards the place. We still not moved this like when this happened, we still created this high. Price did not take out this high yet, but eventually did, and then was like, okay, this is pretty bullish. I could just take out my trade early, but that's something I haven't backtested yet, and I could like start looking into when price fails to create the new low and starts creating new highs and sweeping those new lows that we kind of want to get seen swept. If I take those into account, then I could maybe get out early break even, because yeah, this was kind of obvious that we maybe not gonna go higher, but overall we sweep these lows, showing that we have bearish momentum. And yeah, eventually what do? We go higher, tap this order block beautifully. If I was trading reversals, if I could have took my trade from this order block, set my stop loss on that high, target what, the same liquidity, and target this, I think this would have been hit really quickly. Yeah, but I don't trade reversals. I don't have any like backtest data on that, and yeah, I could not trade it. Then what am I looking for? I was still wanted to go short, but I couldn't. Why? I have to wait for a retracement. And where does that retracement go? If I draw my points from this to the candles, I have to wait at least to equilibrium. What do we have? We only have this fair value gap up here. If I wanted to take a short, it would have been up from right here. I cannot take this short right here because that's not above equilibrium. I only short, like I usually try to short in a premium and buy in a discount. But in this case, it was not favorable for me. So with that in mind, I waited. I could not take that short. I had to let it go. But what do I see? What do I see while trading as well at this exact time? I see we failed to create this low. We failed to sweep this low. What is gonna happen if we fail to sweep this low? What do we also have? We have this higher time frame. What's it called? Higher time frame OTE level also marked out. What does that show us? We are highly likely to make that retracement as well. Because the reason why I want to see the retracement is, okay, if we want to move higher, then we should retrace. What happens? We get the retracement. I'm like, okay, we also failed to go lower. That's 2 in 1. The only thing that I'm missing is a sweep of an internal high. So this sweep would be right. Oh, what happened? So that would be the sweep of that internal high. So eventually we sweep that. What am I waiting for? I'm waiting for a retracement. I could have taken it off here, but I'm pretty sure I could not trade because top step was down. And yeah, I'm gonna not gonna lie, probably I think this all got inversed as well. If I were to take this on the 2 minute, 2 minute does not have a fair value gap. I don't like taking it on 2. So then what I could have also done, I could have measured this candle as well, seen this happening down here, but then I would have needed to take it from down here. But do I get tapped out if I take this? Like, maybe I would have stopped out. Okay, I would have gotten stopped out if I took that, but I don't know what happened. But like, maybe top step was down for a reason. Maybe top step like avoided me getting that loss, but I was still kind of looking towards longs. Around this time, like 1640, top step came back up. What I see, we sweep this high again. Okay, now I'm pretty bullish. I'm telling myself, okay, price is actually going bullish. Well, what happens? Where can we go to? We could go to this order block. Eventually, I do go to this order. I took my TP at that order block. So, what am I waiting for? I think I already took my entry. No. So, what am I waiting for now? I see this happening, right? I see we have this OTE level. This could all just be a retracement for us to go lower. But why I think that's not likely is because we sweep this. I mean, we inverse this for value gap right here, 5 minute, while making this new higher high. We fail to sweep lower, and that's why I think it's not likely. We also like respect these right here. We respect this level. I didn't think it was likely for us to go back down all the way. Maybe go down here because we have such good bullish momentum, and the reason why I want to see this was accordingly to that bullish momentum. So that happens. What am I waiting for now with all this confirmation is I was waiting for this 3 minute for value gap to get, actually not this 3 minute, so a different one. I think this 2 minute. I think I also marked this out. Yeah, I think it was this right here, maybe. I'm not sure which one. So eventually, I was waiting. I kind of misplaced these, I think. I don't know where I should be placing them. I think I placed them like this. Yeah, this was how I placed them. So I measured these two moves. I see we're right into... Oh, my bad. I see we're right at the OTE level on the 2 minute chart. I took it from right there because we respected this OTE level. We did not move lower. We respected this low. We did not move lower. For those reasons, I took this trade. I went down in lower time frame. I saw this high. I was kind of skeptical. We sweep that high. That's a good sign. We inverse eventually, make the inversion. And at this point, I'm pretty confident that we will sweep this high and probably move higher. Because if we do sweep all of this, what is the next draw? Probably up here. It's really unlikely for us to make this, to sweep this bearish candle down and then not make the move. Why? If we were gonna be bearish, we were probably gonna be using this move down to go bearish and not inverse all of this to even go down. And eventually, with this inversion, I'm like really confident this is gonna be a TP. So this can go. I'm gonna remove this OTE level, this high time for OTE level as well. And eventually, after this sweep right here, I'm pretty confident. Okay, we're going bullish, and yeah, price action rips towards my TP. So that was the second trade. And now you could argue that I broke my rule. Why? Because I said in my rules that I'm only targeting 1 to 2s. And this right here was my 1 to 2. But on Top Step, it's always different. I don't know why, but it's a bit different. So if I were to target my 1 to 2, it would have been right like around here. And I'm like, okay, if we're targeting this, we might as well target the full TP. And yeah, so that's why I took it there and not like this at this high, because this was only a 1 to 8 for me, or 1 to 5. So yeah, that's why I took it all the way up, because we were really close to it anyway. So that's the reason why I did not take my TP here, but right here, because usually I would have just taken it from up there. So that's basically it for the 2 trades today. The first trade you did see live. The other trade I did not record. Why? Because Top Step was just tweaking out and like just being weird. But I do also have to say I did take a long here on Top Step, but it did not register. But maybe for the better reason, because my long right here would have looked like something like this. I would have taken it from there, and like here I would have gotten stopped out. So that does kind of show me that I could just probably wait if the conditions are, if the stop loss is too large for better entry, because this right here is a more defined entry and a way better RR for myself as well. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I'll show you the Top Step accounts now on how we took them. So I don't know how to show the executions on Top Step. Status canvas, I don't know how to show them. I don't know how to show executions, because I would want to show my execution, but I don't know where to click to show those. Settings, maybe charts and data. Show chart executions. Okay, save. So these right here are my chart executions. So if I go into 1 minute, you can see exactly. Actually, I'm gonna go to another 15 seconds so I can show you guys better. 15-second chart. So right here, we took the short. Eventually, it did not end up going down. Get stopped out at this candle. Next thing we do, we see this happening, this forming. If I draw the OT level as well, where do I exactly take it? In this candle right here, at the OT level and the 2-minute value gap. Why do I take it out? At this high. At that candle right there. So yeah, 280, a little bit up there. But yeah, those are the executions. I took these two trades with my other Express account. So we had like this on 2 accounts. This account is up a bit. So yeah, here's the executions. Yesterday we had 1 trade, that's a W. Today we had 2 trades, 1 loss plus a win of today. The other account I passed yesterday, so this has the win. This 50k combine I'm trading, but I think I'll be able to. I don't know if I'm be able to pass this month, but I mean this. I don't know if I'm gonna trade Friday. I'm probably only gonna be trading the combine and not my actual Express accounts, cause it's Black Friday and usually weird stuff's gonna happen. But yeah, that's the second reason why I'm probably only gonna be trading my combine. Yeah, I'm probably just gonna be only trading combine on Friday. And what is that? Tomorrow is Thanksgiving, so I'm no trading tomorrow. Friday I will be on the chart because there might be some. Tomorrow is a bank holiday. Friday is Black Friday, but I will probably be trading on my combine only. So yeah, Friday we will see if I can pass my combine or not, because I'm just trying to get the past within 2 days, and if not, so be it. So yeah, yeah, that's basically it for today, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I do like where I'm going with trading. I do like how I'm anticipating, how I'm reacting in the market, what I'm seeing, and how I'm anticipating on it. So yeah, if you guys like this video, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys Friday. Tomorrow's no trading day, so yeah, bye bye.